guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making blueberry jello salad.
This is a light, easy dessert to make. It'd be good for a church carry-in dinner or a family, of course a holiday, especially with summer coming. It's a nice cool dessert.
And also, 2 years ago today, we made our first YouTube video. And when we were making that video, we probably had like 100 subscribers or something. And now we have over 2,000. So thank you to everyone that subscribed. And
we probably made 1 million recipes.
Yeah, more like 40, I think.
Felt like 1 million.
Yeah, it did.
But we've enjoyed every one of them.
Yeah.
We're going to get started on the Jello, but you have to leave it set in the refrigerator about 2 hours to get set up before you put the topping on it. So we're going to be doing a couple other videos while we're waiting on it to gel.
Make sure you're watching for our new videos in the next couple weeks because we're going to be uploading a new video every Sunday.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, you want to bring 2 cups of water to a boil, and then we're going to add the Jello. We've got the berry blue. It's got blueberry and strawberry in it. You can also use blackberry or whatever flavor you'd want, but we kind of thought that went well with the blueberry theme. Okay, so we'll dissolve this. Stir it till it gets dissolved. Okay, then we're going to go over to the bar. And we got our Jello. And we got a can of blueberry pie filling, 21 ounces. Okay, then you want to add a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple drained. So we're going to add it. Stir it all up. Okay, then we're going to pour it into a 9 by 13 pan. I'm just going to spray the bottom, keep it from sticking. Okay, and you pour that in. Okay, then that goes in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get the topping ready for the Jello while it's chilling. So we got an 8-ounce cream cheese at room temperature. And we'll beat that. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and beat that. Now we're going to stir in 12 ounces of Cool Whip. It's all done. We're going to set it in the refrigerator until the Jello gets set up. Okay, so the Jello's set up. We're going to put the topping on. I'm going to put some chopped pecans on half of it. This is optional, of course, but so in case somebody doesn't like them, allergic to them or something.
Okay guys, we're back and our blueberry jello salad is done and it's completely set up. It looks good and now we're gonna try it.
It's good.
It's really good.
You can also make it with cherry Jello and can of cherry pie filling. I tried that last weekend and I actually like the blueberry better, but it's good too. Or any other flavors that you like, so cream cheese toppings to die for. Be good at a barbecue. Maybe next week we'll make homemade barbecue sauce.
If you make this, send us a picture. We like to see when you make our stuff, and be sure to check out our other recent videos. We've done a lot of good videos lately, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. And we will see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye. Easy dessert to make. It's got fruit in it and Jello. You're like us. During this quarantine, we've been cooking and baking a lot. And I read something the other day that I could relate to. It said for the monthly budget. Should I do it or not? You always like.
Okay.
Her monthly budget was gasoline, 0.
Okay. I don't know why that. Just
Okay. And entertainment, 0. You're making me laugh.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Shoes, 0. And our grocery bill was $1,000. So I'm sure some of you can relate to that.
Do you want?
I had a new hairdo because of it too.
Yeah.
And also, I have a new hairdo because I haven't been able to get it cut for a while. So it was driving me crazy. So I had to curl it and so it's not so long. Does it make sense? Don't put that on there.
What?
I just said the same thing. We'll dissolve this. We'll stir it till it gets dissolved.
What? Oh.
The people at church would like it too.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we get to have a carry in there again, maybe 2022 or something.